In many files that you find, there is metadata that is included in it, and pdfToolbox has a nice way of visualizing that. So I can go to Tools and explore metadata. There is also a button on the switchboard that does the same thing. If I select that, you can see a list of all of the metadata that is included in a document. Now, what I can do in pdfToolbox 7 is run a pre-flight fix that is called remove object level metadata, and that will go through all of the elements in the PDF that can have metadata attached, XMP metadata attached, and remove that metadata from the file. Now, in some cases, that has to do with file size, but not always. I'm going to show you one other example of why you might want to do that. This is a nice brochure for a nice Pentax camera that the guys from Calas actually found on the internet. Now, if I do the same thing as before and I go to explore metadata, then it takes a while, and the reason it takes a while is because there are many different images in here that have metadata attached. This, what I'm looking at right now, is the document level metadata, and you can see that they were very good at making sure that that information was correct. They have copyright information in here. It has keywords and a description in here. However, if we go to an image that appears on one of the later pages, and that image is the image that you have here on the right-hand side, you can see that the XMP information identifies the camera that was used to take that image with, and that happens to be a Canon EOS 10D. Now, it's kind of weird to have a Pentax brochure, marketing brochure, and have images in there that have been taken by a competitive camera. So that was probably not the intention of whoever created that document. Unfortunately, when you create documents in InDesign or Illustrator, it's often very difficult to get rid of that metadata. InDesign preserves information that was attached to anything that you place inside an InDesign document. So you need to have a way to get rid of that. And this new possibility in pdfToolbox 7 to remove object level metadata does exactly that. So if I go to results and I save that in my results folder, it will remove all of that information. And if I now go to explore metadata, we should see that the images, of course, are still there, and you still have the dimensions of the image and bit depth and so on. This is the information that is always present in a PDF file and that you need to be able to display the image, but all of the XMP information that was attached to these images has now been removed.